Finding calm in the chaos, a peaceful escape in busy Shibuya. Crossing at rush hour, thousands of footsteps, camera pans to quiet side street. Shibuya, the heartbeat of Tokyo. But hidden behind the noise, there's a stillness few ever find. Busy crowds fade into serene scenes. Shibuya Stream Riverside, quiet cafes near Aoyama, Shibuya Sky's gentle sunset. Beyond the lights and the screens, there are small riverside walks, rooftops above the city, and quiet cafes that feel worlds away. Someone sipping coffee, reflections in glass, soft jazz or ambient Tokyo sounds. Sometimes peace isn't about leaving the city, it's about finding it in the middle of everything. Shibuya teaches you that balance. Nightlights fade, last crowd crossing shot, camera tilts up to the skyline. The next time you cross that famous intersection, remember, calm is only a few steps away. Subscribe for more hidden places on your itinerary next time when you visit Tokyo. Thank you for your time spent on this channel, and don't forget to check out the other playlists related to Tokyo.